In today's operation, we're preparing the steel columns that will support this industrial building. Before any steel column is erected on the concrete foundation, accurate measurement and drilling must be carried out to ensure a perfect installation. The first step is marking out. Using a measuring tape, we carefully measure the exact locations where the anchor bolt holes will be drilled. Every measurement is taken according to the approved structural drawings. Accuracy at this stage is very important because even a small error can cause alignment problems during installation. After taking the measurements, we use a steel square and chalk to transfer the dimensions onto the steel base plate. We then mark the center point of every hole to ensure each drill bit starts at the correct location. This process guarantees equal spacing and proper positioning of the anchor bolts. Once all the markings have been confirmed, the drilling process begins. A heavy-duty magnetic drilling machine is used to create clean, accurate holes through the steel plate. Cutting oil is applied continuously during drilling to reduce heat, improve the cutting performance, and extend the life of the drill bit while producing a smooth finish. After drilling, every hole is inspected and checked against the required diameter and spacing. Burrs are removed and the measurements are verified one more time before the steel is approved for installation. The reason for this careful process is simple. These holes will fit directly onto the anchor bolts that were cast into the reinforced concrete foundation. When the column is finally lifted into position, every hole must align perfectly with the bolts. This stage of the project involves the erection and positioning of a structural steel column, one of the most critical components of the steel framework. Using a crane, the fabricated steel column is carefully lifted into position and aligned with the anchor bolts that were previously cast into the reinforced concrete foundation. Before the column is permanently secured, the engineering team checks its vertical alignment using appropriate surveying tools to ensure it is perfectly plumb. Once the correct position is confirmed, the base plate is fastened with anchor bolts and tightened to the specified torque, providing a stable and secure connection to the foundation. This process demands precision, proper coordination, and strict adherence to safety procedures because the accuracy of the column installation directly affects the stability, strength, and overall integrity of the entire steel structure. A correctly installed column provides the reliable support needed for the installation of beams, roof members, and all other structural components. On this project, we're extending the industrial building up to the fence line by constructing new reinforced concrete column bases along the existing drainage channel. Before any structural work begins, the affected section of the drainage wall is carefully broken using a demolition hammer to expose the required area for the foundation. The excavation is carried out without damaging the remaining drainage structure, ensuring the channel continues to function properly. Once the excavation reaches the approved depth, reinforcement steel will be fixed according to the structural drawings, followed by formwork installation and concrete casting to create strong column bases. These column bases will safely transfer the load of the new steel frame and roof structure to the ground while maintaining the integrity of the drainage system. This method allows the warehouse to be extended efficiently, maximizing available space without compromising structural stability or drainage performance. Every stage of the work is executed with precision, following engineering standards to ensure safety, durability, and long-term performance of the industrial facility.